Hey everyone, welcome to day 3 of our June time crunch. Here's something that I've noticed in several of the forum posts. Many of you are saying that you're feeling distracted and that you're caught between many different obligations, whether it's children or elderly parents or other obligations. So you find that you're being pulled in many different directions. So here's 2 different things you can do, very basic, to help with better focus. One of them is called a brain dump. So you pull everything out of your mind that is swirling around and pulling you in different ways and just put it down on a piece of paper. Nothing fancy is required, but the act of actually writing down what needs to happen and then having the ability to take a look at that is very helpful. You can, of course, take it further and organize it more, but just work on pulling that out of your mind as a good first step. The second one has to do with analog versus digital clocks, and that's such an interesting insight. So it's been discovered that for people who are visual, who tell time by looking at a clock, a digital clock does not do very much for them because it does not give them the information about how much time is left. It's just a snapshot. So analog clocks can be very helpful. I even use one on my phone. I actually have an app that turns my phone into an analog clock, and I use that in meetings to time myself in other places of the house, and especially near your desk. If that is a challenge for you at all, then put an analog clock where you can see it at all times and look at it when you start a task and when you end the task to see where you are in terms of time.
This product is called a time timer. It actually counts time backwards and lets you know how much time is left